Hey mga mi, naghahanap ba kayo ng vitamins for your eye health? Let me introduce to you this Lutein Gummy Bears with zeaxanthin. Yes, parang gummy bear lang ang lasa niya. But then, may daily protection na din for your eyes. And also, meron din itong benefits like it helps to protect your eyesight from radiation of blue light. And also to supports good cholesterol and helps reduce bad fats or yung mga taba-taba sa katawan. And also may bonus na din dahil may kasama na din itong benefits for your skin. And according to the National Library of Medicine, lutein with zeaxanthin may help improve your skin hydration, skin elasticity, and even reduce inflammation. So, ano bang hinihintay nyo available na ito sa ating yellow basket? If you want to try this product, check out mga mi. And also, friendly reminder lang mga mi, if you love your eyes, take action. Protect them daily with the right vitamins, but always consult your doctor first, especially if you have existing symptoms. Okay, kaya check out na!